If we talk about everyday carry or simply EDC, there are so many types of gear and gadgets we usually carry on a daily basis. But some EDC gadgets don't only provide functionality and convenience, but add the term luxury into it. And we've sorted some of those into this video because these coolest EDC gadgets are so luxurious. Enjoy!
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Asiasir Tourbillon, the magnificence for men to wear everywhere. With the tagline of redefining the mechanical watch, Tourbillon features the highest level of craftsmanship in its build, justifying its price tag. But that isn't everything, as it also includes innovative technology like flying tourbillon, a more advanced one with a 360-degree rotating escapement system to minimize the gravitational force. Anyone looking at that watch for the first time will fall in love with its steampunk vibe, which is completely visible for a better dynamic artistic beauty. And, as we already know, this one's a manual mechanical watch with its 40mm case, which is made of 316L stainless steel. And combining that with synthetic sapphire crystal glass, this watch reflects a cleaner and more premium outlook. In case someone is wondering about its kinetic energy, well, that would be about 80 hours. Yet, if you wear it for less than 8 hours a day, then it needs manual wind-up to keep going. But to top everything off, this mechanical watch features a crocodile pattern leather strap, taking its grandness to another level. Words aren't really enough to describe this Sabenza, a beautifully made magnificence from Reeve knives. Holding the knife will always give its user a premium and luxurious vibe, thanks to the top-tier finish of its handle. Coming in 2 different sizes and designs, this knife is suitable for both left and right-handed people. With a drop-point blade made out of stone-washed CPM S45VN steel, this knife isn't only ideal for everyday cutting chores, but capable enough to do more challenging jobs as well. And as we already talked about its premium 6AL4 Reeve titanium handles, it's available in both sandblasted finish for a better grip and glass blasted finish for smoothness. And lastly, its Reeve integral lock effectively prevents this knife from accidental openings. Oliver Peoples Brunello Cucinelli's eyewear collection is something every gentleman and lady will love to have as an everyday carry. Its name already defines the designs of these glasses have been made, collaborating Oliver Peoples and Brunello Cucinelli. And you bet this collection definitely has something in your best interest. Each model has frames made out of acetate and metal in some particular ones, making them tougher and more flexible than competitors. In addition, different colors, shades, and gradients are available to fit everyone's preference, while the universal fit makes them compatible with anyone's face. So style, comfort, and sophistication, everything packs with these glasses. Your regular wallet may seem okay, but is it good enough as this Trayvax Venture billfold? We don't think the ratio of luxury and practicality of this EDC wallet can be compared to any others. Featuring the highest quality Horween leather, offering literally the best blend of quality and consistency. But that's not the only thing that makes this wallet so exquisite, as this one combines practical usage too. CNC machined frame of this wallet is rigid enough to endure any heavy use, while features like the magnetic closure and instant card access make it even more intuitive. Need to carry cash bills? No issues there as well. As unlike others in this category, billfold has a higher cash capacity, which some users find very convenient. Okay, So as you're still in the video, we're assuming that you love luxurious EDC items. And this Orbitkey key organizer is something you will admire. Just like the wallet we mentioned before, this key organizer also features a fine quality of leather to keep those messy keys in a more sophisticated way. Furthermore, with an award-winning secure locking mechanism, this key organizer won't leave your keys clanky, but will keep them more neat and silent. Thinking about its capacity? Well, in that case, this one will easily hold 2 to 7 keys. And more interestingly, users can even include their car key in it, which is a great option to have. So guess it's time to replace those messy and noisy keychains with this Orbitkey key organizer. Here we have the most popular Saga Pen, another finely built exquisite from Gizmo Knives. These custom Saga Pens come with a 17-4 stainless mechanism that incorporates ceramic ball bearings to deliver a smooth and seamless performance. But that's only part of it, as it is custom made of rich light case with an acrylic top that will make anyone look splendid. In addition, its bronze flakes anodized body indeed is grippy enough for a better grasp and writing experience, while a nickel aluminum bronze slider provides a smooth operation. So, is it going to be your everyday companion? Meet the Shargeek Storm 2 Slim, a unique and prestigious battery pack to keep those devices charged up. Now, first thing everyone will love is its clean and transparent design, adding a distinctive look to it. And if someone personally loves the design of nothing phones, then this one's a must-have. 20,000 mAh of capacity will never leave its user drained out, while proper fast charging capabilities will ensure things are more rapid. But most importantly, unlike most others in this category, Storm 2 Slim is even permitted on board. So forget about reaching any business meeting with a low battery. Finally, here we have this Caliber X, which isn't really that much of a luxury, but more of a practical need. This innovative multi-tool from Tool Mule features more than 18 different tools, making it a damn versatile and practical one to carry in your pocket. But we gotta say that the design and matte black finish don't only make it look luxurious, but adds a bit more tactical vibe. So stop filling that pocket with multiple tools and carry Caliber X instead. So that was our video on why these coolest EDC gadgets are so luxurious. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comment section. And please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.